Unit 4. I like your style.
Hey, I like your shirt.
Thanks. It's new. I got it last week.
Huh, did you get anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the weekend market.
How much did it cost?
It cost about $12.
Really? That did not cost too much at all.
Yeah, it's a good price.
Huh. Do you like to wear hats?
Yeah, I like to wear hats, but only in the winter time, when it is cold.
Do you like to wear jewelry?
I just have this necklace that my girlfriend gave to me.
Aww. What do you think about fashion?
I think it is important to be in fashion.
Do you have a pierced ear?
No, I do not have a pierced ear.
Do you have a tattoo?
Yes, I do.
Huh, what is the tattoo of?
It's a big blue scary monster.
Huh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, can I see it?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, here's my tattoo.
Did you get anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the weekend market.
How much did it cost?
It cost about $12.
Do you like to wear hats? Do you like to wear jewelry? Do you have a pierced ear? Do you have a tattoo?